In this tutorial, we are building a journey which will create a new Salesforce contact based on newly submitted Typeform. So let's start. Select Typeform as a trigger. Then choose Create New Form Response as trigger event. To connect to Typeform, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now select the appropriate form which will collect the newly submitted response. Now we need to create a Salesforce contact. For that, choose Salesforce in steps. Next, select Create Record as action. Again, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, we need to choose appropriate Salesforce object. For that, select Contact from drop-down list. Now add the necessary fields from Typeform app data tree. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now we will check the output. For that, we need to submit a new Typeform response. So let's go to Typeform. We require to enter the necessary details. Once submitted, next go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now let's go to Salesforce. Refresh the page. We can see the new Salesforce contact created as per the newly submitted Typeform response. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to create a new Salesforce contact when the new form is submitted via Typeform. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.com.